Welcome guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to see Slam Attacks 10th edition box. So this box has 120 packets. That is each packets have 5 cards. So this might be an amazing video guys. Please watch the entire video. You will like this video. So let us open up and see what is inside. So I'm still excited what will be inside. So we can able to see some I think this is a poster, and this might be the retail packet. This may retail sheet. So this will be used in the shops, right? They will use this to retail the packets, like they will hang them and they will display there. This is a display this is also called as display sheet. This has 120 packets, so in each row I think there might be 30 packets, sorry 20 packets I think. So let us see the retail sheet. So it is mentioned scratch and win. Actually guys, this is a 2017 product, so the scratch and win and all the loot offers has been expired. So yeah, 30 cards per display. I got two retail sheets from this. Now let us see that big poster. I think this might not be a poster. Now let us open up and let us see. This is not a poster guys, this is the product they have. So it is mentioned that there is a scratch and win on sale. So the bottom we can see the packets, 99 rupees packet and 600 rupees big size packet, sorry 1k. This is an amazing thing. So as I told, this is manufactured in 2017. This you can see that 16 September 2017. So this is an old product guys, it's like 4 to 5 years old. So in this video we are going to only open up some 10 packets because I cannot able to open all the 120 packets in a single video, right? So let us see the first 10 packets today. So 10th edition means this is the 17th version. So 2007 is the first edition of Topps Cricket Attacks, Topps Slam Attacks. So in the back side we can able to see that is there 350 cards to collect and 5 cards per packet. And they have given the ratio like silver, gold and the championship cards. Now let us open up and see what might be inside. So let us start unboxing the cards. So I'm going to open a random 10 packets. I'm really excited guys. Hope you like this video and I hope you will see the entire video with me. So Harley Race is a legend card, Hall of Famer. Edge silver foil card, and Dean Ambrose is a base card, and Greg Hamilton announcer and NXT player. So the fun part is we can only able to see what is inside by opening the packet, and which is so surprising, right? We can get some rare cards like the gold cards and the OMG cards. There are many things in this series like SmackDown, Raw, NXT, Hall of Fame, 205 Live, and the flashback cards also there. So let's see if we can see all these categories in this packet in this unboxing video. So guys, I'm going to fast forward from now, and you can see each and every card. I'm going to fast forward this. So guys, we have opened nearly 10 packets, that is 50 cards we have unboxed, we have opened up. So thanks for watching guys, keep supporting me, I will bring more like this. Thank you.